Hi everyone! In this video, I'd like to show you how to make a diamond shape. In the last video, I showed you how to make a vial shape. If you add just a couple more steps to the vial, you can easily create this diamond. I've left the links for the vial tutorial and the cat's cradle string loop tutorial in the description box below. Let's get started! First, spread out your cat's cradle string loop. Take one end of the loop and hook it onto your left thumb and pinky. Keep the strings parallel, then take the other end of the loop and hook it onto your right thumb and pinky. Now, with your right pointer finger, pick up the horizontal string on your left hand. Next, with your left pointer finger, pick up the horizontal string between the two vertical strings on your right hand and move it to the side. Now, push down the starting strings with your pointer fingers and come back up through the spaces marked with blue dots. You may find it helpful to use your thumbs here. Then, slowly unhook the pinky strings. Place your middle, ring, and pinky fingers into the blue dotted spaces together. Next, slide both middle fingers into the spaces between your thumbs. Slowly pull your thumbs out. Now, using the backs of your thumbs, pick up the outside diagonal strings. This part may be a little tricky. Then, with the help of your left fingers, place your right thumb into the space in front of your right pointer finger. Pick up the bottom string on your right thumb and bring it to the front of the thumb. Do the same on the left hand. With the help of your right fingers, place your left thumb into the space in front of your left pointer finger. Pick up the bottom string on your left thumb and bring it to the front of the thumb. Now let go of both pinky ring finger strings. Then let go of the middle finger strings. Then let go of the pointer finger strings. Next, take your right thumb out and place your middle, ring, and pinky fingers into the same space. Do the same on your left hand. Take your left thumb out and place your middle, ring, and pinky fingers into the same space. When you stretch the entire string, add your pointer fingers and thumbs, give the string a little wiggle, and straighten the shape. And ta-da! You have a diamond! You can use your fingers to fix the shape if you need to. I hope you liked this video and try it yourself. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep practicing until you get the hang of it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.